In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create thank you page in WordPress full guide. We'll walk through finding and starting with a dedicated WooCommerce thank you page plugin right from your WordPress.com dashboard. This approach is simple, clean, and perfect if you want a post-purchase page that looks professional and can help with upsells or customer engagement. Begin by opening your WordPress.com dashboard and heading to the Sites section. This is where you manage everything for your site. From there, look for the Plugins option. The Plugins area is your marketplace for extending your site's features, and it's where we'll locate the tool that builds the thank you page. In the plugin directory, use the search bar to type "Thank You Page." This narrows the results to tools focused on post-purchase experiences. You should see a result that highlights a WooCommerce solution promising plug-and-play components for high-converting thank you pages. That's exactly what we want. Click into that result to view the NextMove Lite thank you page for WooCommerce plugin. This is a popular option for customizing the order confirmation experience without heavy lifting. Open its plugin page so you can review the details before proceeding. Take a moment to browse the plugin tabs. Start with Description to understand the features and how it enhances your order confirmation page. Then check Installation for system requirements, supported versions, and any setup notes. The changelog shows ongoing improvements and compatibility updates, which is helpful for long-term stability. Finally, review the FAQs, where common questions are answered directly by the developers. Great for clarifying how it works with WooCommerce and what you can customize in the free version. When you're ready, click Get Started. This launches the setup flow. On the next screen, follow the highlighted prompt to move forward. If you're creating a new site or connecting a domain as part of this workflow, you'll see options to search domains. Use that to find and choose an address that fits your brand. If you already have a domain, click the option labeled Already Have a Domain and proceed with the highlighted choice to use your existing address. Once your selection is made, click Continue to confirm and finalize the setup process. From here, WordPress.com and the plugin will guide you through the remaining steps inside your dashboard. A quick note: installing third-party plugins on WordPress.com may require an appropriate plan, and WooCommerce must be active for a thank you page plugin to work. After activation, you'll find the plugin settings within WooCommerce, where you can configure the design,